Welcome to the course. My name is Annalise.
My name's Benjamin.
And we will be your personal Instagram coaches.
So we're about to jump straight into the course. Before we do, I wanted to walk you through the 3 main objectives of this course and what you're going to get out of it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set you up with a power account. We're going to make sure your account is fully optimized and appealing towards your target audience. The second step will then be to market this account towards that target audience so that when we are promoting it on the Instagram platform and people come across it, they're going to be following it as much as possible. The third thing we want to do is we want to take those people who find your account, liked your account and followed it, we're going to turn them into paying customers for your brand.
There are over 800 million users on Instagram right now, and a lot of these are potential followers for you and your business. So let's progress this together. We can turn these users into followers, and we can turn these followers into potential customers for you.